So now that I've picked out my necklace and my pendant, all I need are some round nose pliers and some cutters. So I've grabbed some stainless steel wire here. And what I like to do is string the wire through the top of the chain or the jump rings at the top so that I can figure out where the center is to cut this. So I'm just going to pull it tight until I can see where I think the center is. And then I'm going to clip it. And then I'm just going to hold it up and make sure that I did indeed get in the center. So yes, those are even. And then I'm just going to want to attach this pendant in the center. So I'm going to start on one end and I'm going to want to create a loop to the chain. So I'm going to bend the wire away from me, creating a 90-degree angle. I'm going to put my pliers right back here, bend it around, and make a little loop. I'm going to attach this loop to one end of my chain. And then I'm going to hold the little loop and I'm going to coil this back around a few times so that it stays in place. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. I'm going to string this through my pendant. And then I'm just going to do a loop same way on the other side. I'm just going to go right up against my bead and bend it away, making a 90-degree angle. I'm going to come in here and make a loop. Then I'm going to string on the other chain. Then I'm going to hold my little loop and I'm going to coil this back around several times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. Super simple to make the necklace that you want with the chain and the perfect length just for you. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.